A range of optional cochlear accessories are available to help your child wear their sound processor securely and safely. The Cochlear Hug Fit holds a child sound processor in place more securely than an ear hook alone. There is a tamper-resistant ear hook in a range of sizes for young children. To attach the tamper-resistant ear hook or hug fit to the sound processor, firstly remove the ear hook and battery module. Attach the tamper-resistant ear hook, being careful that the metal hook is seated properly. Then reconnect the battery. The pediatric headband is an option for children who find it difficult to keep the sound processor on the ear. The koala clip is a helpful option for young children until they can wear their sound processor on their ear. It holds the sound processor securely so you can clip it onto your child's clothing. This simple cochlear safety cord clips to clothing, so children are less likely to lose their sound processor as they play. For more information, visit our website.